This episode is sponsored by Circle K. Get the most savings on every gallon when you fuel with the Circle K Fleet Card. Learn more at CircleKFleetCards.com.
Welcome to this week's Top Truck News Recap from Truck Chat. I'm Lauren Fletcher, Executive Editor of Work Truck, here to share a few highlights from March 26th through April 1st of 2022. It may be April Fool's Day, but staying on top of Work Truck news is no joke. Before I get started, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single episode. In executive news, General Motors announced the creation of a new organization on March 28th, Commercial Growth Strategies and Operations. The new organization will fall under the leadership of Steve Hill and oversee current cross-brand activities focused on strengthening GM's brands and the company's position in the market. The new group will help with the assessment and commercialization of future business opportunities that support GM's revenue growth commitments. Hill has served as Vice President of Chevrolet since November of 2019. Under Hill's leadership, Chevrolet has continued to build momentum, launching several important products, including the reveal of the upcoming Silverado EV, the first all-electric truck from Chevrolet. The GM fleet, U.S. sales operations, and EV retail innovation teams will report to Hill. Scott Bell, currently President and Managing Director of GM Canada, will repatriate to the U.S. and lead the Chevrolet brand as Vice President of Global Chevrolet. An additional move at the company is related to Marissa West, currently GM Executive Chief Engineer, Global Midsize Truck, Medium Duty Truck and Van. West was appointed President and Managing Director of GM Canada. In fleet management news, Holman Enterprises, a global automotive services organization, announced on March 28th that the company has unified its 7 business divisions and companies: Holman Automotive, ARI, Auto Truck Group, Cargo Master, Holman's Part Distribution, Holman Insurance, and Holman Growth Ventures under a new singular global brand, Holman. Those divisions deploy fleet leasing and management services, vehicle fabrication and upfitting, component manufacturing and productivity solutions, powertrain distribution and logistics services, personal and commercial insurance services, and retail automotive sales as one of the largest privately owned dealership groups in the U.S. ARI, its fleet management division, has 1.9 million vehicles under its management. In electric news, ChargePoint Holdings Inc. and Gatik announced a strategic partnership to develop electric infrastructure and integrated services for autonomous vehicles for ChargePoint and Gatik's customers across North America. Customers transporting goods in Gatik's autonomous electric fleet will have access to ChargePoint's knowledge in site design, interoperability validation, and investment costs. Gatik will also have access to a charging network and fleet-specific software that provides telematics intelligence configurable to each customer's operations, as well as modular charging hardware to minimize upfront costs by reducing required electrical capacity. Gatik's partnership with ChargePoint provides customers access to Gatik's 3-6 autonomous electric fleet and ChargePoint's charging infrastructure and integrated services. Additionally, sustainable delivery company GoFor and automotive holding company Odin Automotive announced in a statement a partnership to deploy Odin's electric delivery vehicle ecosystem in the U.S. and Canada. The partnership gives GoFor a turnkey solution for electric deliveries and secures access to production capacity for Odin's electric light commercial vehicles, which have been in scale production in Germany for about 7 years. The collaboration with Odin will make GoFor one of the first e-fleet as a service providers in North America. Also, for fleets that need a little help going electric, fleet electrification provider Zeem Solutions announced the grand opening of the first commercial EV transportation as a service depot near Los Angeles International Airport. The depot, a hub for zero-emission vehicle services, is one of the largest commercial EV charging installations in the U.S. that supports medium and heavy-duty electric vehicle fleets. The LA area depot, located in the city of Inglewood next to LAX, is the first in a series that Zeem plans to build nationwide to enable medium and heavy-duty fleet owners to electrify. The company owns and maintains electric trucks, vans, shuttle buses, and other vehicles that are leased to fleet businesses that pay a monthly lease to use the vehicles. Zeem works with local utilities and renewable energy providers to ensure vehicles are charged using clean, reliable, and low-cost energy. Customers get access to the vehicles, plus daily charging and parking at conveniently located depots that Zeem builds and operates, all for a monthly lease. And in truck news, Peterbilt Motor Companies has announced the availability of the Cummins B.6N natural gas engine in its new medium-duty models 536 and 537. Peterbilt's Model 536 features up to 240 horsepower and up to 560 pound-feet of torque while emitting 50% lower NOx emissions than current EPA standards. In 2007, Peterbilt introduced natural gas engines into the lineup as an option on the Model 320 and has continued to incorporate natural gas engines into the Peterbilt lineup. Today, 3 natural gas engine platforms are available in several Peterbilt trucks. Finally, in truck news, this week Ford introduced the F-150 Rattler, a rugged entry-level addition to its 2023 F-150 lineup. The F-150 Rattler package is built off the XL series with FX4 content featuring skid plates, electronic rear locking differential for enhanced traction, hill descent control for precision throttle and braking on steep descents, and specifically tuned off-road shock absorbers for increased stability over tough terrain. In addition, F-150 Rattler features rugged all-terrain tires. The F-150 Rattler package features a dual exhaust system plus painted 18-inch aluminum wheels. The badging on the fender vents and rattlesnake-inspired graphics are also included. The truck goes on sale this fall. We're also starting to share several vehicle video walkarounds that were shot on-site at Work Truck Week 2022. Even if you were able to attend the show in person, there's always so much to see it's unlikely anyone caught it all. Let us walk you around the new and updated trucks that you may have missed. Currently, we have the Isuzu F-Series and Chevrolet Silverado EV ready to watch. Learn about the fleet-specific updates to the Chevrolet Silverado EV and find out more about the power behind the new Isuzu F-Series. Check out these videos to learn more about the trucks that matter to your fleets, and stay tuned as we continue to add more videos to help you make the right purchasing decisions. Thanks for listening to this week's episode of Truck Chat, and remember, if you want more, head on over to worktruckonline.com and sign up for our newsletters. Check out our YouTube channel, subscribe to our podcasts, and follow us on any of your favorite social platforms so you never miss a thing.